Welcome to the RSPN Network. I'm Wendy.
I'm Angela.
I'm Vasco.
And I'm Kristen.
And we're here to tell you a little bit about the inside of what our journey's been to bring World of Concrete to you.
So Wendy, what is RSPN?
It's 2 weeks worth of highlighting our manufacturers that we went to go visit.
Kicking off Monday, we have a very exciting music video coming your way.
Wednesday will be a behind-the-scene location tour of the manufacturer, and Friday will follow that with an in-depth biography on the owner of the company.
And on Sunday, it's the big interview. It's the one that we've been giving you sneak peeks about on Tuesday with the behind the scenes, and on your 17 for 17, we had a full interview with the manufacturer.
But that's not all. The following week, we'll have giveaways, interviews, and live demos.
We hope to see you guys every week at RSPN. You can follow us on social media or on our homepage at our website. Click on RSPN and tune in every week.
Thank you from all of us at Runyon Surface Prep.